What's up, YouTube, MySpace, and Facebook, and everybody out there in the internet world? So I'm gonna be speaking Monglish to you guys, okay? It is called a Hulusi from the Dai people, southern part of China, and I adopted it when I was it was introduced to me. Where can I get my hands on one of these? I've been searching everywhere, you guys. Trust me, these flutes are rare and they're hard to find. And trust me, they're not cheap too. The other thing about Hulusi is when you buy them or when you buy online, make sure you, especially online, you know exactly what you're gonna buy because a lot of the time the Hulusi online, the cheap ones, or should I say the most affordable ones, about I would say about $10 to $30. Those are the ones that you want to stay away from because um, it works. It looks just like a Hulusi, but the only thing that it's not the the flute staff right here. It's not made out of bamboo. It's made out of the other what should I say, the fake bamboo. So it's not really bamboo. And at the same time, when you play it, it will only have the staff note here. All these two notes on the side to make it harmonize or to bring in harmony to the sound. There's none to it. So that's why it's pretty affordable. At the same time, the gourd that they use are very not quality gourd. So when you play the flute, it comes out. It's always out of tune. There are about that I've seen about 3 or 4 types of material they use to make these hulusi. One of them are the jade that they use. Those are more quality, but they're only for the looks. You don't really have to spend that much on the jade hulusi, the green ones that you guys see on the internet. The other ones are the original gourd ones, or the bamboo's staff, or made out of red wood. Those are the ones that are the ones that you might want to check it out because the redwood has a more solid sound to it, so it brings out the sound of the hulusi more. And the other thing is when you buy the bamboo, make sure your hulusi, if you don't know, but get used to it, does not leak out air. Because when you blow on your hulusi, I mean, you don't have to blow it very hard. Just put it on the tip of your tongue, but make sure you blow the whole. But I don't think you have to. Okay, if you just barely put it on your mouth and you barely blow some air in it, you should feel the pressure or the air filling up your gourd because a good hulusi would not leak a lot of air out because a hulusi that leaks out a lot of air. First of all, if you're a beginner, that takes a lot of your breath out, so you'll be having a hard time, or very tiring playing the flute, and then you'll be like, what's wrong? But that's the first thing you will look for. I had to learn it the hard way. So when you buy a hulusi, always test it out if so to test it out, if you just gently blow on it, if you don't, that's the good one, okay? If it makes a sound from your gently voice, I mean not voice, but your air, then that's a good hulusi that you can work with. This one, particularly that I have right here, it is made out of plastic. I prefer this hulusi plastic because the plastic, at the same time, it does not break easy. At the same time, it's easier to clean. You can just, for me, the reed it's all in here. Some of your hulusi out there, they'll have the tumblina or the blade that you blow in, it will be right here. But mine is made in here. But only some are detachable. That's the difference between a Hulusi that is when they say or they put in that is detachable. It means that you can lower the pitch of the Hulusi, change the tone. The other thing is that I've seen a lot of you guys out there that came approach me with your Hulusi when you bought yours. There are some that has uh, no on the side. In other words, there's no holes on the side. So those are the ones that you have to switch it back and forth on the two side right here for you to be able to have a harmony sound. Now, the ones that have the harmony sound right here, it's pretty tough to keep changing back and forth, especially when you're playing a piece that is going to require harmony or your preference. You like it to have harmony. 就你有 new 很多 you play 呢，就好啲要用弄 back and forth 呢，就你有我都有你呢，都你得弄弄 new 啊，其他领导 there are some that I've seen that has on this one right here. I call this the first tube or stab. This one has a hole also. This one harmonizes with the bass. But just to keep everything short, to wrap up what I just said, basically, the most important when you buy your Hulusi, make sure that the air is locked in tight. Not a lot of air leaks out. You listen to it, you will hear a lot of airy sound coming out. That's a bad one, okay? At the same time, your Hulusi cannot feel light, too light. I mean, if it feels too light or like how I say, if it feels too fake or too breakable, then don't buy those because it will not last long. Because especially when you first are a beginner, you first blow on it, you blow it really hard and you can break it apart really easily. So you want to buy one that it feels that has weight on it. That way, that is a quality Hulusi that I would recommend. If you guys need any more information, email me and I will try my best to get it across to you guys as quick as I can, okay? The other thing, keys, okay? When it comes to the keys, Hulusi, the one I'm holding right here is in the key of F. The only different thing is that the C's are the higher note, which means the most common one are the B flat. B flat is the most common sound of Hulusi that you will be hearing in the songs that you hear it people have been using. The F1 is a new low, the pitch is a little bit lower. There's a G1. The G1 is a little bit just a pitch higher than the F. So that's the only difference between it. So for me, my preference is the lower the pitch, the more mellow, emotional conscious it is. So hopefully this explains a little bit on the Hulusi part. And like I said, I will post. Just look on your site, and I don't know which site is on right now. I'll post up the address there. You guys can contact them and see if they can have any more in stocks. Okay. Remember the rule of thumb. The thumb. Okay. This one always okay. On the back of your Hulusi, always hold that one. Okay. You got any more questions, just email to me. And I'll leave you guys with this little note, and y'all should know this song. This is by Ciaj Sia. It's one of my favorite ones too. Go back and practice, but shut up. So once again, look back, and I'll see you guys on my second tutorial of how to play. Okay.